They call me Mr. Incredible down here in Central Arkansas. They follow me around. They record me. They even follow me at the 2 meters, record me there. I'm an icon. They can't get enough of me. I do stream on the YouTube channel, so if anybody wants to get on there, watch my videos, and watch me 24/10, they can. The Mr. Incredible.
You hearing this? Mr. Incredible. I probably shouldn't even put that in this video, because if he sees it, it may make his head swell even more. Mr. Incredible thinks he's a hot shit, doesn't he? Hey guys, today I want to talk about some gifts I received from a friend in Tennessee. Thank you so much, Rocky. Some of this stuff is just fantastic. This little item, oh, this is a something that I can use. It's actually going to probably get. Actually, I might leave it to full length, but I'm going to put a Cobra 4-pin on this end of it and turn this into a mic adapter / extension cord. It's got a 6-pin plug on the end. But I'll bring you guys in close and show you what Rocky sent me. So let's come in a little bit closer, and I'll show you and I'll explain to you why he sent me this. All right, let me bring that camera in close and give you a better look. All right, I got you in close now, and I'll show you what he sent me. He sent me a Cobra 29 with a Uniden 4-pin mic. The Cobra 29, actually, let me start with that mic and then I can get that out of the way. The microphone, I think is really cool. I've never seen this model Uniden before. It's one that'll stay in my collection. Because if you guys know me well, you know I have an addiction to microphones. I have so many mics it isn't funny. But that one I didn't have yet. I have all the other, I think all the other styles of Uniden mics, but I didn't have that one. So that's a nice addition to my collection. Let's get that out of the way. We'll put it to the side. Let's talk about the 29. The Cobra 29, this is the reason for the gifts. If you remember a couple of months ago, if you saw the video I did, I bought 3 radios at a local ham fest, and this was one of them. Well, this radio, the display has a lot of segments out in it, and the meter is no good. And, well, it's actually not in that bad a shape. But it looks like the one that Rocky sent is in even better shape. Again, it's a parts radio. It's already all apart. We might as well take these covers off right now and get them out of the way, because I'm going to put power to this to see if this radio does anything. And check it and see if that channel display is any good. We're all apart here. The face is all disconnected too. The meter is in there loosely. Now, I'm not putting an antenna on this, and I'm not putting a microphone, but you see that the meter seems like it's free. You give it a tap, it flies over and then returns right back to the stop. So the meter should be good. So it looks like we have a meter for that Cobra 29. Let's see if we have a channel display. All right. I'm looking through the camera lens here at what I'm doing. The camera lens, the camera screen. Well, I suppose it is the lens. All right, we got power. We got the covers out of the way, so we're not going to short anything out. Ooh, it turns on. Oh, look at that display. The display's in good shape. Awesome. This radio will have the parts we need. Wow, that faceplate's in way better shape than the other one. I'm going to end up swapping that whole faceplate. The faceplate and the channel display. Let me grab that one again. Actually, we know that works. Let's disconnect that power. Again, I don't want to short anything out on the board. And let me set this one right on top of it. Let's give it a side-by-side comparison. Yeah, the one that Rocky sent me is in better shape. The chrome trim around it is in better shape, and the faceplate. See, this the radio I'm going to fix has damage there. I mean, then it's not that bad to swap these out. I got to take it all apart anyway to change the display, so might as well put that faceplate on there. Alright, well, the Cobra 29 has what I need for parts. This was why he sent this radio to me. He must have already powered it up too. I'm sure he's the one that took it apart. I don't know what's wrong with this radio, but evidently it was deemed parts only. So that's what we're going to use it for. Alright, let's put that aside. We got the microphone and the radio. We'll put that microphone over there with it too. And let's talk about the other item he sent me. I already showed you this. It has the 6-pin plug on that end. And what I'm going to do is make it so that a standard 4-pin Cobra will plug right in. I have a couple of the jacks that connect to this to go on a cord. Alright, we'll get that out of the way too. Now let's talk about this little item. I played with this a little bit since he sent it to me. It's a Baofeng. Oh, what is that? A UV5R3, it looks like. With the charging cradle and the wall wart. But this is a neat little radio. I haven't played with it a lot, but as you see, it's right now it's on 151.820. Because I was playing with it with the Retevis radios that I have. You see what channel that Retevis radio is on? The Baofeng will talk with the Retevis radios. This set of Retevis radios is a set that my wife and I both decided we're keeping. They're a cool radio. And this Baofeng seems to have a lot of the same stuff that this has and more. Where it has the FM radio in it. I got it on my local country station. And like I said, it talks with the MERS radio, which is fantastic because I only have 2 of these and there's 3 of us in the house. When my son's around, he can use one of the Retevis radios, and I'll use the Baofeng. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you some of the items that were sent to me out of the kindness of Rocky's heart. Hey, thank you so much. All right, guys, I'll catch you next time.